Hello everyone, this is Dr. Pranjali Kapoor from Unnat Academy. It has been a long time to get interacted with my cute little children, and some parents also requested me to get connected. So I thought of making this video. This is a small video just to understand the word grammar. Hope my little kiddos will enjoy and learn the concept. If you like my video, please do subscribe it. I'll try to explain it in English as well as in Hindi so that it is easier for you to understand. Generally, when I ask my kid what is grammar, some says it's a noun and some says it's a pronoun or verb, etc. But grammar is not only about noun and pronoun. We generally start grammar from class UKG with the naming words, prepositions, and continue with noun, verb, and other part of speech. Then we study tenses, but ये तो सारे parts हैं, right? These are the topics of grammar. So kids need to understand what is grammar. Say by class third or fourth, they should know कि why they are studying grammar, why these topics are actually coming in their subject. क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं? So with the help of few slides, I'll be explaining you the concept of grammar. So what is grammar? Grammar is a set of rules for forming the words and arranging the words in a sentence in a correct order to convey the complete and correct meaning. So, words फॉर्मिंग द वर्ड किससे बनता है लेटर्स से. ठीक है, तो हम पहले ये समझेंगे कि वर्ड्स कैसे बनते हैं. और वर्ड्स लेटर्स से बनते हैं, उसके बाद वो वर्ड्स को अरेंज किया जाता है सेंटेंस में इन अ करेक्ट ऑर्डर, एक प्रॉपर सेंटेंस फॉर्म में, जिससे कि दूसरा उसको समझ सके. राइट. सो लाइक इन दिस डेफिनेशन ओनली, अगर मैं इसको रीड कुछ ऐसे करूं: अरेंजिंग, forming, correct, order, convey, sentences, complete, correct meaning. So, will anybody be able to understand? No. So, it's better कि एक proper sentence हो जिसको कि दूसरा समझ सके. Right? Now, coming down to the word, what do you mean by word? So, जब हम word समझना चाहते हैं, it means a word is a letter or a group of letter that has meaning when spoken or written. अगर लेटर्स को अलग अलग फ्रेम किया जाए और उसको अरेंज नहीं किया जाए, तो विल इट फॉर्म अ वर्ड? नो. लाइक जी, डी, ओ. डज इट मेक सेंस? जी डी ओ. इज देयर एनी वर्ड लाइक जी डी ओ? नो. So we'll form a word God. Arrange them and you'll form a word with the help of letters. So God. God is one. So the word is a letter or a group of letters. एक group of letters है जिससे कि जब लिखा जाए या बोला जाए, it gives a sense or a meaning. Now coming down to the next slide. After understanding the word, we'll understand about a sentence. What is a sentence? So, a sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. यानी कि सेंटेंस जो होता है वो किस चीज से बनता है? वर्ड्स से. और वर्ड्स जब प्रॉपरली अरेंज होते हैं और सेंटेंस बनाते हैं, तो वो एक कंप्लीट थॉट देते हैं, कंप्लीट मीनिंग देते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ सेंटेंस. सेंटेंस ऑलवेज स्टार्ट्स विथ अ कैपिटल लेटर. ठीक है, ये तो हम यूकेजी से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं कि सेंटेंस जो है हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है. एंड इट ऑलवेज एंड्स विद अ फुल स्टॉप, एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क और अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. राइट. सो एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं हम. मॉम बुक दिस बिलोंग्स टू माई. इज दिस अ करेक्ट सेंटेंस? इज इट गिविंग अ मीनिंग? नो, दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट. व्हाई? क्योंकि इससे तो कोई मीनिंग ही नहीं निकल रहा. Now let's arrange these words and make a proper sentence. This book belongs to my mom. So this is a correct sentence. Now I think you all are clear with the term word and sentence, right? So now coming back to the definition, what is grammar? अब आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा क्योंकि मैंने आपको वर्ड और सेंटेंस का मीनिंग एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. So grammar is a set of rules for forming the words and arranging the words in a sentence in a correct order to convey a complete and a correct meaning. So after going through the definition, now we'll study that why grammar is important. So grammar is important because it is a language that makes it possible for us to talk about a language. किसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं? लैंग्वेज के बारे में. एकदम करेक्ट बोलेंगे और लिखेंगे, right? So it is basically learning the structure and the rules of language. And without grammar, one cannot write or speak correctly, right? So this is the reason why we study grammar. Now coming down to the noun, pronoun, prepositions, which are basically the part of speech. They tell us how the word functions in meaning as well as grammatically within the sentence. अब noun pronoun एक sentence के अंदर कैसे आता है और grammatically sentence को कैसे correct करता है. So we have 8 part of speech, right? Some people say that there are 9 also. So I'll tell you that. So the first one is noun, then pronoun, then verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Some people add on articles also. Right, now I'll be briefing you with the parts of speech through one rhyme and examples. Here's an old children rhyme about the 8 part of speech of English grammar. It gives you an idea what grammar is about. Let's read and remember it. Every name is called a noun, as fields and mountain, street and town. So noun, what do you mean by noun? Noun is a person, place, animal, thing or an idea. Let's take an example. John is a tennis player. So John is a noun. Next, in place of noun, the pronoun stands as he and she can clap their hands. Now pronoun. Pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun takes place of noun or it may replace the person name. So how does it replace a person name? John को replace करके he कर दे. Let's take an example. Richard isn't at work this week. He's gone on holiday. So Richard is being replaced by he. Next, the adjective describes a thing, a magic wand or a bridal ring. Adjective क्या होता है? Adjective is a describing word. Right? It describes about a noun and a pronoun. What a beautiful flower. So flower is a noun and noun is beautiful. Means a flower is beautiful. Next, most verb mean action. Something done to write, read, to jump and run. Verb. So what is verb? Verb describes an action or state of being. कैसे describe करता है? It's basically a doing word, a action word, right? Let's sing the last verse again. Sing. Sing क्या है? Action है. Clap, jump, read, write, everything is a action word. So it is a verb. How things are done, the adverb tell as quickly, slowly, badly, well. Adverb. So what is adverb? Adverb tells how, when, where, or to what extent we are doing. Right? He ran quickly to the building. It basically supports the verb. तो verb क्या है इसमें? Ran, ran भागा, कैसे भागा? Quickly भागा. Right? The preposition shows the relation as in the street or at the station. So, preposition. Preposition is used with a noun or a pronoun to form a phrase. There is a light on the table. कहाँ पर है? On the table. Preposition तो हम क्लास 1 में भी पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है? On, at, from, right? Conjunction joins in many ways sentence, word or phrase and phrase. Conjunction क्या होता है? जो दो sentences को join करता है. Conjunction joins the word and group of words within a sentence. Like and, but, either, or, because. He looks so proud because he won the competition. Why was he proud? Because he won the competition. So because क्या है? It's a joining word. Next, the interjection cries out, heed an exclamation point must follow me. So what is interjection? Interjection is a strong feeling or a reaction. Heed. Hooray! I've already graduated. Right? So, interjection. Now I think you must be clear with the rhyme that what are the parts of speech. Let's read the rhyme again in a flow so that you can learn it easily. Every name is called noun, as fields and mountains, street and town. In place of noun, the pronoun stands, as he and she can clap their hands. Adjective describes a thing, a magic wand or a bridal ring. Most verb means action something, to read and write, to jump and run. How things are done, the adverb tells as quickly, slowly, badly as well. The preposition shows the relation as in the street or at the station. Conjunction joins in many ways sentences, words, or phrase and phrase. The interjection cries out heat and exclamation point must follow me. So I think this will be very easy for you to learn the part of speech and their meaning. Thank you so much for listening. Please do like and subscribe. For any queries, you can write to us at our email ID academyunnat@gmail.com. ACADEMYUNNAT @gmail.com. Thank you so much for listening.